If you want to become an expert in the art of kissing, this OneHowTo video will explain how to give the perfect kiss step by step. Step 1. Before you start kissing, you need to show the other person you want to do so. Play with body language. Get closer. Smile. Touch her hands. Wet your lips. Step 2. When the other person has understood your intentions, focus your attention on her lips and bring your head a little closer in her mouth's direction. Tip: when you get closer to your partner's mouth, tilt your head slightly, as your noses may collide if you don't do so. That might create an awkward moment. Step 3. Unite your lips with hers and give her a soft and sweet French kiss. Tip: do not put your tongue in her mouth too quickly, as it could be uncomfortable. A good kiss should start slowly and increase the passion little by little. Step 4. Open your lips slightly to hold hers with your mouth. Do soft movements to carefully caress your partner's lips. Step 5. Now's the right moment to slowly introduce your tongue. Start with the tip, caressing her lips and playing with her tongue. Don't move it too quickly or too slowly. You should keep playing with it calmly, with circular movements and paused movements, to entwine with the other person's tongue. Tip: do not go over the top sticking your tongue in your partner's mouth. You should try to only have half of it in order to play without anybody choking. Step 6. Take the tongue out of her mouth slowly and get back to the lips movement. End the kiss with one last French kiss or lip kiss, and you'll be the star of a picture-perfect kiss.